Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Granby, local and long-distance movers near me. There's no shortage of cheap moving company Granby to pick from. Whether you are moving across town or across the country, 3 Movers is the most dependable and top pick. When the time comes for you to make your move, our staff will be here to assist you. Everyone from families to business owners to members of the armed forces to students and more have relied on our moving services. Get the right services for your long-distance move by adding the following: packing services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. We offer all the right options for your relocation, no matter how far you need to go. Our team of long-distance movers will help you get to where you need to go. Even if you need to move thousands of miles, we can help. When you're ready to handle a local move, hiring a Canadian moving company is smart. This type of moving team will ensure you get all the help you need. With a good moving company helping you, there will be no reason to do any heavy lifting. 3 Movers will help ensure you avoid heavy lifting and hard work. We take care of it all and will help you save time and energy. Our team of movers can get you moved in just a few hours or at least in less than half a day. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Granby moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.